Hey guys, I'm Scott and I hope you're having a great day. To all of you who have subscribed to my channel, I'd like to say many thanks. Now, diminished chords are a bit weird, but they're a great way to understand how chords actually work. Now today we're going to look at the B diminished chord, and it's formed directly by harmonizing the C major scale. And it's quite interesting to see the connections between the B diminished triad and the B diminished seventh chords that we can form from it. Now we're going to get there by rearranging the C major scale into the B locrian mode and then comparing it to the B major scale. Now we're going to explore the connection between the B locrian mode of the C major scale and the B major scale by moving step by step from the B major chord to the B minor chord, which we do by flattening the third, to the B diminished triad, which we do by flattening the fifth. In order to build our seventh chords, we're going to remove one of the B's and we're going to convert it into its seventh notes, which is either going to be the A sharp, the A, or the G sharp notes, which corresponds to the actual seventh, the flat seventh, or a double flat seventh. Now if we want to stay diatonic, we have to stay within the notes of the C major scale, and for that to happen, we're going to choose the A note, which is the flat seventh. Now once we've seen how to construct the diminished chords, it seems pretty straightforward. Unfortunately, that doesn't make it any easier for us to actually use the diminished chords in our music. I'm Scott. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you again real soon.